This is my Trevor tank top.
Oh my God.
But it's too hot.
Hat on.
Trevor discards my makeup.
And he's like, what is all this house paint? Sherwin-Williams? This is very, oh yeah, we love this.
What are we doing?
So Dior was...
What's that?
Hi guys, I'm moving and I own too much makeup. My name is Johnny Ross and I'm a makeup hoarder.
Same.
I know, you're gonna be so mean to me and you're worse than me.
I am by far worse, but I love things like this where, you know, you wanted me to keep it real and I'm like the perfect person to do this, but like, look at my beauty room and you would throw up.
I'm
you would
sure.
throw up. This is not bad for foundation. So this isn't horrible.
Yeah.
No, it's really not.
Okay, all right.
And I want to say something just starting off. I feel like you're very realistic with your makeup based on other like beauty YouTubers. You are very quick to be like, I will never use this.
No.
You're very realistic
Yeah.
where I'm like, I might hate this, but I'm gonna keep it.
I'm not that way anymore. And that's the thing. I think once I started getting PR to the level, like you guys know a couple months ago, YSL sent me all 60 shades of their foundation. I didn't even keep one because I had already bought it to try it. I had it.
And you could have returned it.
Yeah, I kept it and I literally, all 60, I donated. I gave to you for your kid.
Yep.
Anything that's here is like stuff that may be newer that I'm like, I know I'm not gonna wear again. So I feel like this is a great way to show you guys kind of the best of the best.
I'm so excited to get into this. These foundations, I'm already looking at ones and these concealers and I'm like, Mary.
All right, let's dive in, girls.
Let's start up here with this separated Tom Ford. So let's just start off strong. It's yellow oil. This happens to them after maybe about 6 years.
I think it's only 2.5 years old.
Okay.
I'm never gonna use it. Yes.
It's gonna go right in here.
Okay.
Let's go Super Stay. This looks like it's your summer shade. So
I don't know why that's so dark.
Yeah, I don't know why either. Hydromaniac.
I used to love it, but I'm too oily now. And oh, that kills me. All right.
This.
That I loved. I want to play with that more.
You just got this.
I know, and especially for the reviews, I actually really like this. This is the new vitamin enriched skin tint from Bobbi Brown. And I actually feel like this would be stunning on mature skin, dry skin. So I'm going to give this more tries.
Now we have 2 shades of the Revlon. Now I know you love this.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a reason why we have both?
One's my regular and one's my self-tan. And that's my goat. That's my goat foundation.
You literally self-tan more than anybody that I know, so okay, so then we have this foundation you hate.
No.
So I don't even know why you have this.
Girl,
garbage.
Dior, definitely. This
Dior
is my holy grail.
Makeup Forever, you just bought this.
Just bought that the other day. I'm wearing it right now. I feel okay about it. I bought this because of Trixie Mattel. It's not as mattifying as I hope. I might return it because I still have the box and the receipt.
I know you hate this too. You just reviewed this, so we're gonna throw this in the garbage.
No,
fire.
No, I love this Smashbox Always On. I just posted the video about
incredible.
it. Love it. That is incredible.
Now I have a question. Why do you have leg and body makeup from Dermablend?
Okay,
Where are you going wearing leg and body?
So you know what it is? They send that to me, and I used to really use that more when I did makeup and I shaved all the time to cover 5 o'clock shadow.
Face like Ginger Minge.
Drag. It was for drag.
You were doing drag makeup.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
No, I was gonna let you say it. We have the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Skin Tint, 2 shades.
You know what? I'm gonna say Purge because I have my iconic London skin tint, which I like better.
Done.
Okay, this hurts because it's horrible. It is the driest, most matte foundation I've ever worn in my life. It is cement, but it cost, I bought this, it cost $1 million, the Gucci foundation.
It's so overpriced, and this hurts me to even
and I bought it.
Purge this
I know.
for you. Do you want to give it a second chance? I'm trying
I gave it a second chance, girl. I wore it to an event because I was like, you know what? It's so matte, I'll just wear it on my nose.
Horrible.
Sandpaper. Sandpaper.
Oh
it
my
was
God.
so dry. It is the driest foundation. That's actually lit. The Neutrogena Serum Foundation. I don't know.
I don't know about her. I really don't know about her. What about this do you love? How many times have you worn it?
Like twice. Oh my God, this is so hard. Okay.
What about your caked up Estee Lauder?
One of them is newer.
This doesn't look new.
You know what? That might actually be the newer one. Because remember, we got the pump. And you know what? I don't know if I, like, when I re-bought this because I used to wear this.
Oh, no, it's not. I said the pump is locked. It's
I
just
know.
caked up with old foundation.
Up. I might wear this again.
I think you should try it again because it's
great for oily skin. Great for oily skin, but I
have the option.
I know.
MAC, are we keeping because we just bought this?
Girl, we bought that. We thought we were eating. We both put it on, recorded a podcast, and we were just like, we gave it a good try. Phenomenal.
I mean,
phenomenal. The Color Pop
fresh.
tinted moisturizer.
Stunning. Immediately. I love What is with high-end foundations and the oil that
Look at that. And you know what, girl? That is boo-boo.
I do not like this.
You know what? Actually, you can hold me accountable. I am going to keep that and actually grab Gucci for me because the reason I bought all these was because I'm trying all the high-end foundations to tell people what's worth it.
Knife to the throat. If you don't get rid of these and if they're boo-boo after this, I'm going to find you. I know where you live. If I don't see content pushed out of the best and worst foundations.
In the next month.
Literally, you have been talking about this. I know. This is Ghouls and Goblins. I don't believe this video is ever going to exist.
You know why? I still have to try the Chanel. I have to buy the Chanel.
Valentino.
The Valentino I tried, and I have.
Okay, so this is great.
Great. In my defense, I would never wear this because I'm oily. This is the L'Oreal.
You don't wear this?
Girl, that is Glow Town.
Yeah, you can powder her.
I powder a matte foundation and I'm still oily.
That's true.
So the reason I want to keep this though is because I'm going to do a video of makeup for mature skin. I swear, they have memories. Yeah.
I'm like,
yeah.
I will find you. Come to your house in the middle of the night and take your foundation.
You're right.
You will have nothing.
That I still want to try.
You didn't try this
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh
my
God. You're going to love this.
The Keys Soul, Alicia Keys. Yeah, this looks beautiful.
It is absolutely a keep. Givenchy, I think you need to keep, right?
Yes, because I'm going to use it for the video, but I do love this.
Yeah, you did like this.
This is looks beautiful on me. This just gets a little too shiny in my nose, but I'm also on a quest to find the most mattifying primer in the world that is basically hairspray.
Also probably make that work.
And that's what I'm saying. This might work because this is beautiful. This is my runner-up to my Dior. So
Anastasia Luminous Foundation. Why would you even have this in your possession if it says luminous for you?
Girl, I don't know. That does not look bad on me. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's something about the dry down. I know it's something about the dry down. It looks actually really nice.
Does it?
In the winter when I'm not as oily, it looks stunning.
This hurts me more than it
hurts you.
Why is this even in your possession?
It's not bad. The matte born
Go
this way.
away.
It's not bad. The matte born this way.
Can we roll the clip of him talking shit about Too Faced every second?
Yeah, they can go themselves, but it's not a bad foundation.
When was the last time you actually
It's not bad. I'm not going to wear it again, though.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
You are 90 years old with this.
Listen.
What is it? The Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer?
Yeah. Okay, you can get rid of it. You can get rid of it.
I can't. Okay, Lancome.
Not for me.
Really?
Yeah, I get too shiny. And I felt like it was like a little texture city. Like it really accentuated my pores.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of disappointing.
Yeah.
So we have another Super Stay here, which is actually your color this time. How do we feel?
I love it. I just don't,
too.
because it's so full coverage. That's something I would want to keep for like special effects.
I feel like this is a good one to keep because you can always powder this and make it work.
That's what I mean.
Super long wear. Even if you get oily,
yes,
it's not going to separate.
Like if I'm doing Halloween where I want full cover, that's what I would use. You know what I mean?
Do you want your leg and body makeup again?
I have more somewhere.
I'm going to... Listen up.
I have hidden stashes. I have a whole stash of just like special effects stuff. I don't even know where it is.
Oh,
It's somewhere. It's in a drawer.
Oh, I'm gonna.
I know it's bad, guys. It's bad.
You were just talking about this. I thought this was a made-up word.
Luminance, the Revlon, amazing for mature skin. I'll keep that only for the video. I swear I'll film it in the next 3 weeks. I promise. I promise. Okay.
So we have 2 shades of Rare Beauty. I know you love this.
Love it.
Because you do have your
I have my... When I have 2 shades of something, it means it's like
tan. I mean, you could tell too. One is tan, one is his shade.
Yeah, and I sell tan, so right now...
I'm not even mad at that. To like center of the face.
Oh, tell me about it, girl.
Like,
and the shades on this, like my self tan shade, look at this shit.
How often do you self tan?
I haven't in a while, because obviously it's the end of summer. During the winter, I probably do it at least once every 2 months.
Because there were days where I would come here before
Look at this
match. I mean, that is great. That is a beautiful match. For you
yeah,
look at that.
It's unbelievable.
Gorgeous.
I love this.
She could keep it.
And even though it's an oil-based foundation, we just talked about this on our podcast. You would think this wouldn't work on oily skin, but I think the presence of the oil makes
I'm gonna try it
less
again.
oil.
I feel like I gotta make it work.
Die for again, mama.
I don't think I shook it enough.
You gotta shake her like a mother. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. That one is going to be in the high-end video. It's so beautiful. I have to wear it again, though. I'm not even kidding you. I bought that. I only wore it once.
You got to put this on more.
I know. I only wore it once.
Because even on oily skin, I feel like when you use the correct powder on top, this looks
and
stunning.
I want to, even if I can cocktail it and do like,
This will be great. I feel like it'll be really great for you. So
that I bought, I think.
Hourglass Ambient Soft Glow Foundation.
Would we consider that a high-end foundation?
Yeah. Technically, yeah, because it's over $50.
Honestly, I gotta like try this again because I don't even remember. I feel like like, I didn't love it.
Yeah, I remember you trying this on and you told me that you were like, this is too texture.
Okay.
Keep it for the high-end video.
I gotta try it again before the high end, yeah.
And then last but not least, that is House Labs.
I mean, I love it. I think it's a beautiful foundation. It's just not right for me because I'm so oily. I can give it to somebody. Wow, that's all the foundations.
So we have foundations of what
it looks like we didn't do anything.
And I mean, these are all the foundations that we are.
Okay, we're getting rid of or giving away. And honestly, I'm not even kidding. Like 6, 7 of these are gonna go away the minute I film with them. All right, concealer and color corrector.
Okay, I'm gonna start in the obvious place, which is the. Hold on. Let me collect them all. Let me make sure I have all my infinity stones of Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer.
I use these for bridal.
Used.
These I do some, these are like my full coverage when I want crazy full coverage. But you know what? I don't know though. Because I'm going to fight you on keeping my Kevin Aquans.
Kevin Aquans?
Which are so full coverage, like they could cover a tattoo. I'm gonna fight you on keeping those because they were very expensive, which I feel like these do the same thing. These are a little less coverage. Just do it quick. Oh! What is that mess?
Oh my god, you have it? The Marvel edition of the Maybelline concealer?
The collector's edition. The age rewind. This had a chokehold on us, and I feel like because of the new formulas that have come out, we're all kind of learning that that's not that great anymore.
Do you like green color corrector?
I don't know why
you
I have so
an
many.
Open and an unopened LA Girl green color corrector.
I know. The RCMA contour palette.
Girl, that is foolish behavior.
You can get rid of it.
It's moldy. It's moldy.
I know.
Of course I'm getting rid of it. What the hell?
Oh my god.
Why do you have an Urban Decay primer potion in your concealers? And we're getting rid of that because that is trash. This is amazing.
Love.
The Milani color corrector. That's like a keep.
This I'm obsessed with. This is such a good color corrector. So hydrating. Wow, we've only kept one thing so far.
What is this? It looks like a primer.
A putty thing, yeah.
I'm gonna throw that away.
Okay.
Because that texture
and whatever that other thing, the Catrice under eye.
Catrice, remember the original formula?
I have the new one.
Isn't this the new one?
The new one's back in the old packaging.
Oh, they did it again.
The new.
Oh, this was new. You didn't even open this.
No.
That's actually nice. No?
Maybe. I'll keep it.
I think that's I'm letting you. I think that's actually worth. Okay. Cut it out.
So you know why I kept that?
No, tell me.
Because
I would love to know.
I wanted to use it to show like how to, if your foundation's too warm, like how you can mix it and like cool it down. Mm-hmm. I haven't filmed it yet.
Is this another Ghouls and Goblins video that you haven't posted and talked about for months? Yeah. If I let you keep this, so help me God if you do not post this. So more LA Girl.
Honestly, I like the Milani better.
Okay, done. And while we're on tube concealers, Kimchi Chic.
Girl, that is so old. I bought that years. I bought that when we bought that, remember?
Oh my god.
It's like 4 years.
Juvia's Place in a very tan shade.
Obsessed? You can get rid of the darker one. That was from Bridal.
The lighter one
That's
you want to
mine.
keep?
Yeah, this is my actual shade.
Okay, I just want to throw all of these. The milk you say you like.
Amazing. I have 3.
Oh my...
2 of them are way too dark, so those I'll give away.
Nope.
That's the Benefit Boing.
Benefit Boing concealer.
Yeah.
The Milani concealer. This disappointed me.
Too dry.
And then Kosas, do we need to say more if you watch the podcast?
Yeah.
Go check it out if you haven't.
Yes.
If that episode's even out by the time this comes out.
Yeah.
No.
Girl, this is brand new. This came 2 days ago. This is Lancome redid all their concealers. This is the Tanti Dole Ultra Wear all over. This is basically like the natural. Yeah, this is the natural version. I bought this and used this for Mother of the Brides, like mature skin, to die for. They just came out with this glowy, but it's not even glowy. It's like a serum concealer. And you guys know how I feel about the NYX serum concealer. And this is a serum concealer. I have it on now. It's beautiful. So I want to play with this more because these are gorgeous. Breathtaking.
And this matches the foundation in this serum with the white cap, so I love that they're doing concealers for each formula.
Absolutely.
Really cool.
Yeah.
And then Kevin Aquan, I have like a sentimental thing with Kevin Aquan.
Me too. Because this shit is so full coverage.
I mean, this you would have, they actually said you would mix this with anything to make it a foundation, like mix it with a primer. But the fact that it could cover tattoos is crazy. It's
unbelievable. So, like, I just feel like there's no more full coverage, too.
And these are expensive. I'll let it slide.
Girl, they're like, what are they? Like, almost $45 a piece? 50?
I know. NARS Soft Matte Concealer. How often are you wearing this? And do you wear it as an eyeshadow primer or concealer?
I don't use it.
Okay.
I know.
Keep it real. And I like that you're not lying to me. Don't lie to me.
Yeah, don't lie to me.
Morphe Filter Effect.
Believe it or not, the Morphe Filter Effect concealers are due for the NARS.
You don't even wear the NARS.
I don't. but it's a dupe.
But
I would have known that if I didn't buy it.
NARS.
Yeah.
He has 2 NARS on it. He's like, oh, I don't wear it. Shall we rewind? I don't wear it. And then it has 2 of them.
I know. You can get rid of them all. I really only bought it because I wanted to know if it was a dupe, and it is. That is
Conceal
rough.
and hydrate. Really?
I just, it didn't, I don't know.
Doesn't do it
Missed
for
the
you.
mark, the revolution.
You know, I'm really proud of you. You're really letting go here.
Yeah, I know. I'm really tossing the concealers.
It is oil city over here. Something is ooky spooky leaking all over my fucking hands, and I'm gonna throw up.
Ew!
Ew!
Grab the paper towel.
I think it's this one. It was like olive oil and pizza grease. Say.
Did you ever try that?
Yes.
What do you think of it?
I feel like it's good I used it before concealer, almost like to lightly correct.
Yeah.
It's nice to brighten. It's almost like the Rare Beauty brighteners.
I was just going to tell you that I like this better. I like the Rare Beauty better.
I like the Rare Beauty better.
I love these.
I feel like it actually does something. Yeah, let's wipe these down.
I love these.
So say...
Because these, when I'm done with my concealer, I'll do like a boop for a little extra brightness, or before as like a little color corrector when I don't need too much correction.
Yeah.
This I love, the Rare Beauty. But say you can get rid of... The Koki wasn't bad. I was playing with that. I haven't used it. I used that only on the eyes so far as primer. It was stunning.
Oh, I thought you meant... I was like, well, where else are you using it?
My tongue. And it was actually really nice.
What is something else leaked?
I don't know.
It's this. I think it's Catrice.
That's disgusting.
Well, Catrice has 3
is
shades.
bye-bye. Yeah.
It has 3 shades.
Literally 3 shades.
Hourglass, how do you feel? When was the last time you wore this? And do you even like it? Ooh.
I think I like this.
It dries down a little darker.
It does smell like wall paint.
Like old KVD Lock-It foundation. Like, girl, that ain't right.
It's a little fishy.
It's a little
fishy.
It's fish market.
I think it's bad.
I think it's rancid.
She kicked.
Okay. And then
that is so old.
So good.
It's great.
But it's old.
That is great. But it's too old. Polish by Bobbi Brown color corrector. How old is that? Is it really beaten up? I think that was from Bridal.
I think there's black mold growing on it. That is House of Horrors, spooky, spooky Rem Beauty concealer.
I liked it.
Try it again.
Yeah, I really have. I did like it.
When we wore it. So.
And you know why? We wore it, but the powder we put on top of this was awful.
The milk.
They were horrendous. We did good.
This was really,
this is everything.
Really great.
So this is keep.
That's keep, and then what we're getting rid
donate of? And get rid of. We got rid of a lot of concealer.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Because, and you know what's great too, is that you're going to keep getting PR. There's going to be other things that you might fall in love with.
And a lot of this too is like I'm keeping so that I can show you guys like all the luxury stuff that I don't wear, just so I can show you on camera like what the finish of everything.
Spend hard-earned money on that.
And some of this, I buy a lot of this because a lot of brands, I don't know, they don't really
send you.
No, I feel like I could put all this in one drawer now.
I'm not kidding. You could do in those organizers 2 rows of foundation, 2 rows of concealer.
That's hot.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
That was easier than I thought.
Yes.
I think you're going to have a harder time getting rid of blushes and bronzers because like eyeshadow, like you were saying,
I know.
it's the option. But I'm going to keep it real because I love blush, I love highlight, I love bronzer.
All right.
Clearly.
Part 2, we're going to dive in and do our bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications on so you don't miss an upload, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also check out our podcast because we're unhinged. So.
Oh my God, it's so much fun.
Bye, Kevin. See you next time.
Bye.